Welcome to the top best. The best reading tablets is probably one of the most exciting educational tools for kids aged 5 to 10. These tablets from LeapFrog are designed to make learning fun and interactive, helping children develop crucial reading skills. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, benefits, and overall value of these tablets, so you can decide if they're the right fit for your child's learning journey. Get ready to explore a world of interactive stories, engaging games, and educational adventures. Number 5. PlayShifu Orboot Earth, Interactive Globe for Kids. This interactive globe brings the world to life. It allows children to explore diverse cultures, fascinating animals, and global wonders through augmented reality. With over 1,000 facts and interactive games, this toy is perfect for early learners and budding STEM enthusiasts. It makes learning fun and engaging for kids. It helps develop key skills in geography, problem-solving, and memory. This educational toy is ideal for children aged 4 to 10, fostering a love for discovery and learning. Encourage hands-on discovery with this interactive globe. It's perfect for use in homeschool settings and classrooms, promoting active learning through play. Collect fun stickers and travel the world with the included passport. This unique learning experience sparks imagination and supports an early learning journey. Enjoy interactive globe games, quizzes, and activities that keep kids engaged for years. It's a valuable STEM toy that supports early learning and lasting developmental growth. The box includes a 10-inch globe, passport, stamps, country flag stickers, and a detailed help guide. Download the free Orboot app on your device to unlock an AR adventure. What we like. This interactive globe brings the world to life with augmented reality. It's packed with over 1,000 facts and interactive games, perfect for sparking curiosity. If you're looking for a gift that combines fun and education, this is the perfect choice for young explorers. What people say. The LeapFrog Academy is a great learning tool for kids. It has a lot of fun games and activities that help kids learn. It is very easy to use and navigate. Number 4. PlayShifu WordWiz, Plugo Letters Learning Kit. This is the PlayShifu WordWiz, an AR-powered word-building game. It combines hands-on learning with screen time. Watch as it helps children build their vocabulary and improve grammar through engaging, story-based games. This kit sharpens linguistic, reading comprehension, cognitive, and motor skills. It includes introductory spelling games that teach spellings through phonics. The games focus on word usage, grammar, and language concepts. Plugo Letters is perfect for kids aged 4 and up. The app features 9 interactive games and over 250 levels, making learning fun. The app adapts to the child's grade, providing a progressive educational journey from pre-K to 4th grade. This device is compatible with iOS, Android, and Amazon Fire devices. Please check the official PlayShifu website for a full list of compatible devices. Ensure your device meets the minimum requirements for the best experience. The kit includes a letters trunk and 48 letter tiles. Spell with the tiles on the trunk and store them away when finished. Unlike digital games, this kit offers hands-on learning without direct screen contact, using a gamepad. What we like. This kit uses augmented reality to make learning fun. It combines hands-on learning with healthy screen time, helping kids build reading, spelling, and grammar skills. If you like the idea of a screen-based learning experience that still feels tactile and engaging, this is a great option. What people say. The LeapFrog tablet is a great learning tool for kids. It has a lot of educational games and activities. The tablet is designed to be durable and kid-friendly. Number 3. HOMESTEC Astro Pad, Toddler Learning Tablet. This Astro Pad helps toddlers develop vocabulary and listening skills. It features 21 double-sided flashcards with various themes, along with nursery rhymes and stories to encourage learning. The device uses real-world images and realistic sound effects. Children can insert a card and tap the image to hear the correct pronunciation and sounds, improving word recognition and memory. This tablet is recommended by parents and therapists to aid children with speech delays and other language difficulties. It's designed for therapy sessions, offering intuitive and self-paced learning. The Astro Pad is made of child-safe ABS plastic with rounded edges. It uses soy-based ink for the flashcards. The volume is adjustable, making it user-friendly. It's lightweight and compact, perfect for home, travel, and therapy sessions. It runs on AA batteries, which are included. It's a great gift for kids on various occasions. What we like. This tablet uses real-world images and sounds to help toddlers learn. It's designed to support speech therapy and is easy for little ones to use. If you have a child who is just starting to learn or needs extra support with language development, it's a great tool. What people say. The LeapFrog Academy tablet is a great learning tool for kids. It has a lot of interactive games and activities that make learning fun. The tablet is designed to be durable and kid-friendly. Number 2. LeapFrog LeapStart 3D Learning System. Introducing the LeapFrog LeapStart 3D Learning System. This system engages children through books, audio, and 3D-like animations. It's designed to reinforce learning and help kids grasp concepts effectively. With the stylus, children can tap on pictures and words to explore reading, counting, and problem solving. The system offers an interactive experience that makes learning fun and engaging. Many activities have 2 levels, covering over 50 key skills per grade. It covers preschool through first-grade subjects, offering a comprehensive learning experience. It includes over 700 activities across a library of more than 25 books. 2 learn-to-read book sets are also included, providing a rich source of educational content. The Grow With Me stylus is comfortable for kids of all ages and promotes proper writing grip. A computer with an internet connection is required to download books onto the system. What we like. This system uses books, audio, and 3D-like animations to make learning interactive and engaging. It's packed with activities that reinforce learning and help kids understand concepts better. If you are looking for a system that grows with your child and offers a variety of subjects, this is a great choice. What people say. The LeapFrog Academy tablet is a great learning tool for kids. The tablet offers a variety of educational games and activities. It helps kids learn to read and develop other important skills. Number 1. LeapFrog LeapPad Academy Kids Tablet. Introducing the LeapFrog LeapPad Academy, a kid-friendly Android tablet. It comes preloaded with educational apps and creative tools designed by learning experts. This tablet is perfect for young learners. Explore the internet safely with LeapSearch, the tablet's built-in web browser. It allows kids to access kid-friendly websites and videos. It's a great way for them to learn and have fun online. Get a free 3-month trial of LeapFrog Academy. This interactive program guides children through learning adventures. It's a fantastic way to support their educational journey. Parents can download popular Android apps. There are also hundreds of games, apps, videos, and music available from the LeapFrog App Center. It offers a wide variety of content for kids. This tablet is designed for children aged 3 to 8 years old. It includes a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. It's a great learning tool for young children. What we like. This tablet offers a kid-friendly Android experience packed with educational apps and creative tools. It includes a free trial of LeapFrog Academy, an interactive learning program. If you have a child who loves technology and you want a safe and educational tablet experience, this is the one for you. What people say. The LeapFrog Academy tablet is a great learning tool for kids. The tablet offers a variety of educational games and activities. It helps children develop reading and math skills. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.